What's the single best investment out there? Your financial education is the single best investment ever. Just read the book by Dr. Phil. It's called Life Code. In it, he states that we must be investigative and not take things as face value. So many people I see are losing, not just in the stock market, where they hand over their hard-earned money to investment brokers, but also in real estate, where they are being guided by people that are not true investors. Real estate, if done correctly, offers not just an asset that offers high leverage, but one that still offers tremendous tax advantages. Most beginning investors invest using only the strategy of buying low and selling high. That's gambling, and one of the biggest reasons we lost over 90% of the amateur investors after the last bubble. Also, when you sell with this strategy, you have an additional tax, and taxed at earned income rates. An educated real estate investor knows how to not only invest for high appreciation by knowing how to time the market cycles, but also an experienced investor knows how to use tax strategies to pay little to none in taxes. One of the most interesting observations I've made being in real estate the last 25 plus years is that many people look at investments as a lottery ticket that will make them rich, such as the next hot stock that's about to rocket up 300% this year. My view is a bit different. The point of my investments is to create time by reaching a point where the monthly passive income from my investments can pay my bills, at which point I would completely own my time and have the ability to dedicate the rest of my life to whatever I choose. That is true freedom. The point of my real estate investments is to create money. The more money my investments make, the more money I can put into my passive investments, and the more time I can buy. Unfortunately, most people with standard 9-to-5 jobs will never have enough money left over each month from their paychecks in order to buy back their time before it's too late. You have to increase your monthly cash flow if you want to speed up this timeline so that it's in your favor. And the only real way to do that is to get educated and learn how to invest. Take the time and learn. You will have a lot more time in the future by investing in the knowledge now. I created the video series, which is a great guide to get started. You can click on the links on the side to get started, and I recommend going to watch the What Are People Investing In first. It will give you a good idea of what investments you like, so you can then set up a plan that works for you. Everyone is different and has different goals and risk levels. The best part of investing in real estate is there is so many different ways to do it. But you first need to get started by learning. Now, I attach some of the best books I've read on real estate to help you learn. I am seeing way too many people give up their most valuable asset, their time. Enjoy the educational videos.